In this video I'm going to show you, if you open Roblox then you will see this problem. You will see installing Roblox and your game will not open and it automatically close. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Watch this video till end. If you skip then you will not understand very well. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your computer or laptop screen, or you have to go to Chrome browser in your computer. You have to click on three dot in your Chrome browser. Then you have to click on settings. You will see options, privacy and security. So click on this. You will see this. Then you will see one option, third party cookies. You have to click on it, third party cookies. Then after you will see one option, see all site data and permission. You have to click on it. You have to click on this option. Then you will see another page. You will see search option. So you have to search Roblox in search bar. You will get roblox.com. You have to click on this symbol. You have to delete it. Delete site data and permission to roblox.com. So click on delete. After deleting, your first step is complete. Now I will show you second step what you have to do. So in second step you have to hold window and R. You will show a run option. In a run option or a run command, you have to type this percentage local app data percentage, and then you have to click on OK. Then the local folders will open. Then you have to go to temp folder. In temp folder you will see Roblox folder. So you have to delete this Roblox folder. So delete this Roblox folder. After deleting, come to the local file, local folder. Then you have to delete one more Roblox folder. That's it. Your problem will solve and your game will open. If any problem, comment below. I will try to solve it. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video then please hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.